Stone quarry trucks damage main road in Dingso Terang Village, Dengaon. The picturesque village of Inglongkiri Dingso Terang nestled amidst rolling hills, once boasted a decent road that its residents took pride in. However, the relentless passage of heavy stone-laden dumper trucks has transformed this road into a nightmare for locals. The main road to Dingso Terang Village, which winds through lush greenery and connects it to the highway, has suffered irreparable damage. These dumper trucks traveling to and from the porous stone crusher have left deep tire tracks, rendering the road nearly impassable for regular vehicles. Private cars now struggle to navigate the sunken ruts, and school children find it arduous to walk to their classes. The villagers have repeatedly appealed to the stone crusher operators, urging them to repair the road. Their pleas, however, fell on deaf ears. Despite understanding the plight of the locals, the crusher management remained indifferent. It seemed as though the road's deterioration held no consequence for them. Frustrated by the lack of action, the villagers have decided to take matters into their own hands. They have blocked the road for the dumper trucks, desperate to protect what remains of their once pristine road. Unfortunately, the road originally designed for light vehicles, now bearing the weight of these heavy trucks, exacerbating its condition. As the stone crusher continues its operation, Dingso Terang Village grapples with the consequences. Everyday life has become a struggle. Goods transportation is hindered, and students face difficulties reaching school. The villagers who once celebrated their road now find themselves caught in a battle between progress and preservation. News Desk reports, News Fast English News.
So atwar kerang kanang kok bangke nilitum la dag Inglongkiri Dingso Terang rong la so atwar helat put yang silang so pen la so Quarry arni bang ajo perlu setame la so arlong dampar ke helat pen ajo ini itong la bang so Inglongkiri Dingso Terang rong arat atwar ke hinu ni itong la bang so kecak dor ajo ini si pini ni itong la bang so atwar rang kanang kok lo sila bang so akisung ake boy kadu ga benang la tong la news tu pen nang la tum ta nang teglong lo la singil tung la bangso atowar bang pag la bangso sai to claim pusita la bangso business claim pusita mini to pan la bangso atowar nang pa misen di pan sini tung la bang Inglongkiri Dingso Terang rong nar ni tum chuning di pon la news to pen ta kasi jong si la bangso atowar jong si nang pa misen city ke ni tung la bangso atowar ke ni lu tung bangke rang khap ti berji asalang litum pini ni tung la bangso keceng lo la bang jong si nang tum jong si la bangso atowar ni tum hanar la so kisung nang papling pleti ke nitung la bangke intonte asila soa keti song ke nitung bangke pini pen keceng lo asi nang le tumbang pak le la bangso Quarry claim po sedame la bangso atawar radmo kisung khoderji akhi dilitung la bangso kisisak dokok na po sinitu non pisini pensi nitung la anak kisung sa nitung la bangke atawar teglor pe nitung la bangso atawar rang kanang kok lo
bang lo nang nema Tuan litik dampar pawang lonang nema. Tuan Islam litik dampar pawang lonang nema. Paklang kono. Ini nil tumarong atowar mane laana ke henulo ne tum sok anta mane eme set anil tum ang teglong lo boho. Labang sosok kela tuar mimiti kenil tuh bang kela sosok paring beri.
Laga PWD atau war lo kade?
Oh PWD atau war lo sih. Ini bahannya tuh malik, enak aja ini rata pan ke pasung aja ini sepini nih tuh labang sosok war long lah anak saya tak klaim nangkok lo.